Welcome at Pizza and More. I'm totally happy that my stepdaughter was in Calabria on vacation. She was in Tropea and she brought a whole bag full of Tropea onions. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and we make now a pizza which has its origin in Calabria, in Tropea, and one of the main ingredients is the Tropea onion. We will make the Pizza Borgo Tropea. As you may know, the Tropea onions are very sweet, very delicious, very mild onions. They have a bit a longer shape, a bit of oval, they are red. And the whole region around Tropea is full of these kind of onions. They are really very traditional for this area in the south of Italy. For the pizza right now, I have a direct dough with 62% of hydration and a 48 hours leavening time. How the dough is made, so the whole recipe for the dough is in the video description as in each other video as well. This pizza is a pizza bianca, which means there is no tomato sauce on it. But however, there are some tomatoes on the pizza, but not fresh tomatoes. There are some semi-dried tomatoes. And beside them there is some garlic, there is some tuna, there is some olive oil of course, there is a Parmesan Creme, there is basil. And how the Parmesan Creme is made is also in the video description, but I will show you quickly how I make the Parmesan Creme. And now I would say we start with this pizza. At first we start with our Parmesan Creme, as I've already said. For the Parmesan Creme we need here 125 grams of very fine grated Parmesan cheese. I have here 50 grams of Creme Fraiche. Then I have here 50 grams of cream. We need a pinch of pepper, salt and a pinch of nutmeg. And of course we need 15 grams of olive oil. I mix now all these ingredients together. If you want, you can also use a mixer, and then the Parmesan Creme is done. I have the dough already on my counter, and now I stretch the pizza like a Neapolitan pizza is stretched, which means I start in the center and press all the air and all the dough towards the crust. Then as first ingredient we add the Mozzarella Fior di Latte. As I said, no tomato sauce because this is a pizza bianca. The pizza has right now not its final size. We will stretch the pizza at the end to its final size. Now it's time for some garlic. Then we already add the sliced Tropea onions. And we make here always, you can see, such kind of nests. Directly onto the onions we can add a bit of olive oil. Then we add some tuna onto the onions. And on top of that, the dried or the semi-dried tomatoes. Then some olive oil over everything. Then it's already time for the pizza peel. Some semolina onto the peel. And then we push the peel under. Now we stretch the pizza to its final size. And then it's time for the oven. Here comes this pizza out of the oven. Now it's time for the Parmesan Creme, which means 1 teaspoon of it onto the tomatoes. And then we have to add some basil. Yeah, and now you saw how fantastic this pizza looks like, and you can believe me, it smells so fantastic here in my kitchen. If you have no Tropea onions available, it doesn't matter. You can also use normal red onions or even normal white onions. It really doesn't matter. However, it would be recommended to use some onions which are a bit mild in taste and, if possible, a bit of sweet in taste. Yeah, if you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel. And then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!